NBC 7 News at 6 starts now.
If an earthquake does hit closer to home here in San Diego and your home gets damaged, experts say you probably may not be prepared because the vast majority of Californians are not covered and do not have earthquake insurance. NBC 7's Danny Freeman breaks down what earthquake insurance actually covers and just how much it will cost. Danny.
Yeah, so listen to this stat. According to the California Earthquake Authority, that's a nonprofit earthquake insurance provider set up by the state, 90% of Californians do not have earthquake coverage. And the authority says these latest quakes in Ridgecrest are really a wake-up call.
Oh my gosh. Oh my God.
The question on everyone's mind is still, did you feel it?
A little bit. The chandelier was moving in my house.
Honestly, we didn't feel anything.
But the new question perhaps should be, are you covered for it?
People do ask, and I would say it's about a 50-50 ask. Can we get earthquake insurance, or do you recommend it?
Realtor Mark Powell swears by a policy himself and says just the other day, a condo buyer walked over the issue.
They specifically wanted to make sure earthquake insurance was covered by the HOA.
I haven't really understood the point of it, to be perfectly honest.
Mary Bloom lives in Santee, but earthquakes aren't front of mind for the native Floridian used to other natural disasters.
You got to board up your windows. There's things that you have to do in order to protect your home, but yet we never had hurricane insurance.
I think this was a wake-up call that, frankly, a lot of us needed.
Glenn Pomeroy is CEO of the California Earthquake Authority, a nonprofit earthquake insurance provider established by the state. And he explained exactly what a basic earthquake insurance policy covers.
It covers the replacement value of the home, not how much its market value is, not how much you'd get if you put a for sale sign in front of the home, but its replacement cost. You can cover up to $200,000 of the contents inside the home. If you can't live in your home for a while and you have to live elsewhere, you could cover up to $100,000 of those additional living expenses coverage.
So let's take this 1960s house Mark just sold in Claremont. Per the Earthquake Authority's online quote calculator, to cover all of that with a 5% deductible, you'd pay an annual premium of between $400 and $500, which may be worth it for Mary.
I believe if my house was on a concrete slab, I may consider it more.
But it's not a question for Mark.
And in the event of a total loss, why would you want your most important asset not insured?
Now, Mark Powell, the real estate person there, also advised people living in condos, don't assume you're covered for earthquake insurance. That coverage could go through your HOA. And on the Earthquake Authority's website, you can find much more specific info about how coverage for condos, renters, and many more work. Danny Freeman, NBC 7.